Welcome to eDaddy India. eDaddy India started about 7 years back with small teams of only 5 and now years of consistent growth we have over 100-person team. Check our small presentation.
Data India. In this presentation, we will show you all important aspects of e-commerce, product data upload services and how eData India helps you. Contents, introduction, what is e-commerce, popular online stores platform, important aspects of an online store, benefits of outsourcing to India and why eData India. Introduction. eData India is an offshore outsourcing company based in New Delhi, India. We have come a long distance in a short time. We started about 7 years back with a team of only 5 resources with an objective of exploring and tapping the ever-growing outsourcing industry. Consistent year-on-year growth has brought the overall strength of our team to around 100 resources with continuous workflow both day and night shifts. What is e-commerce? E-commerce means selling and advertising products through internet or business to consumer and business to business commerce conducted by way of the internet or other electronic networks. The internet and online stores have proved that the future of business lies in e-commerce. To be a success in this business, online availability is important. The more one is visible online, the better business growth is assured. Well, these are the popular stores platforms: Yahoo Stores, OS Commerce, 3G Cart, Monster Commerce, Volusion, Zencart, Xcart, Magento Commerce, and custom defined stores. Important aspects of an online store are description. Every product requires complete descriptions like brand, model, and technical details. Second one is images. Picture plays an important role for an online store as customers can't touch the product. They can see it, so image should be attractive with green background. Prices. Always do some research over competitor sites and give fair discount over their prices. Well, benefits of outsourcing to India. Best advantage of outsourcing to India is cost effective because of low operating cost, a large pool of English speaking and computer literacy in India, reliable internet links to facilitate good connectivity with rest of the world, meet international quality standards, different time zone between India and West countries is beneficial to provide round-the-clock services. Why eData India? Outsourcing is not a new concept and there is a huge market of companies doing the outsourcing work. What makes eData different from other outsourcing companies are having 7+ years of experience in outsourcing industry, successfully completed over 1,000 projects for 100 clients all over the globe. Best data security of our clients, latest i3 systems with 19-inch LED screens, dedicated lease lines for best internet connectivity, and customized backup and securing data on network server. Well, if you are interested in our services, do contact us. eData India would be happy to provide you free test sample work to show you our quality work and turnaround time. Please contact us for your outsourcing requirement at info@edataindia.com or you can call us at 47596597. Our website is www.edataindia.com.